welcome back to the channel of Meals with Mills. In this episode I'll be making masamoa. This is one of the recipes that was requested by someone who was kind enough to fill in the form or the survey. Thank you for your love and support. Also to those who have filled in the form and the survey. Please, if you haven't done so, please, if you can, it will help me a lot. Sparing 1 or 2 of your time, minutes of your time to fill in that survey for me will be greatly appreciated. Without talking too much, let's start baking. In the bowl, I'm going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm also going to add 2 cups of self-raising flour. I'll just sprinkle some salt, 1/4 teaspoon, and then I'll sift our flour. Our next step is I'm going to add our butter, and I'm going to go with my hands and mix in the butter with the flour. Let's go ahead and add our coconut, the dry coconut. We're going to add our sugar. Got 2 eggs. I'll give it a good mix and add it to the bowl. Have 1 cup of coconut cream and 1/4 cup. I also add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, and then we're going to mix in our dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. I'm going to sprinkle some flour on the bench and just put some of our dough on the bench. Start with that. I'm going to go with the rolling pin and just gently roll out your dough to the required thickness that you want your mussies or biscuits to be. Probably 1 to 2 centimeters. Don't forget it will rise because we've got self-raising flour in the mixture. Now I'm going to use my circle cutter here. I'm going to have round biscuits, and I'll also be able to make some normal square biscuits. 1 there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just move the uncut ones here. Okay. Like that. If your dough is a little bit soft, feel free to add a little bit of self-raising flour or plain flour. I'm going to cut this again to have a good shape. So that's one tray ready to go in the oven. We will start baking them at 160 degrees for about 20 minutes. We'll keep checking them, and once they're brown on the other side, we can turn it around within that 20 minutes. So let's bake these and continue on preparing the rest. Set the timer to 20 minutes. biscuits have been baking for about 10 minutes now. I'm not sure if you can see clearly. The bottom parts are starting to go brown. So at this stage I am going to bring it out of the oven and turn them around, or turn them over. And then we'll continue on baking for another 10-15 minutes. Our biscuits are now cooked and ready to be served with butter and jam. It's been cooled down as well and plated to be served. You can have it with hot Milo, chocolate, or any hot drink of your choice. We Polynesians normally enjoy the biscuits here, coconut biscuits, or masi popo, masi Samoa we call it, with a hot cup of Coco Samoa. So yeah, let's get into tasting our baking and see what it tastes like. So just butter me a biscuit. Okay, it's nice and soft. It's not crunchy. Some people prefer biscuits crunchy. Some people prefer having a soft biscuits or masi. So if you want it soft, I would suggest leaving it in the oven less than 20 minutes, 15 minutes max. But if you want it crunchy, then you leave it in the oven a bit longer, or you bake it a bit longer. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. But like I said, everyone likes it differently. Some prefer being soft and some prefer being crunchy. So that's my way. If I want it crunchy, I'll leave it in the oven for a bit longer. If I want it soft, then I will bring it out of the oven. 15 minutes max. But play around. Your oven is different to mine. Let me know if you have any tips. But this is perfect for me. They might be different to you, but here it is. My tray of masi Samoa all ready for the family to enjoy with a hot drink. I forgot to mention, I also have some yellow masis and the plain ones. I just added food colouring to this. If you want to have colourful ones. If not, leave it plain, whatever way you want or whatever way you prefer your masis. So that's our Samoan masi popo recipe. Once again, thank you for your love and support to my channel. Stay safe out there and stay blessed. And I will catch up with you in the next episode. Love you all from Mills and family. Bye for now.